Lo-Shu-Grid is a square-shaped design which consists of 9 numbers from 1 to 9 with 3 rows and 3 columns. Total of each row and each column sums to 15. Chinese numerology has always been associated with the magical Lo-Shu-Grid, which was discovered around 4,000 years ago. The intrinsic patterns of the base chart, together with the way the numbers move about the grid, are believed to offer clues on the characteristics and outcomes of events within the environment. The Lo-Shu-Grid is the central principle behind flying star Fengshui and also used in the interpretation of individual birth charts. The story of this square's origin dates back to almost 4,000 years old China. Legend says that Chinese people found a tortoise shell during the flood of the river Lo. This tortoise shell had a 3x3 square on its back, and the sum of every horizontal, vertical and diagonal row was added up to 15. Now 15 is the number of days between the new moon and the full moon. Number 5 was highly regarded in China, and this magic square had number 5 in center. In China it was considered auspicious omen because they believed that God lived inside tortoise and turtle shells. Which Chinese element are you? Chinese astrology differs from Western astrology in the fact that there are 5 elements in the Chinese system, and they emphasize different positions in life rather than a specific set of characteristics. However, these elements can still indicate the characteristics a person bears, and which trait someone from one element shares with others from the same element. There are 5 Chinese elements: wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. Each element is strongly related to one another. Your element is determined by the year of your birth. Therefore, it's easy to figure out your element. Just look at the last number in your birth year and match it to the element listed for that number. If the last number in your birth year is 0 or 1, your element is metal. If the last number in your birth year is 2 or 3, your element is water. If the last number in your birth year is 4 or 5, your element is wood. If the last number in your birth year is 6 or 7, your element is fire. If the last number in your birth year is 8 or 9, your element is earth.